Smart coating hypersonic is a technology which, when applied on the body of high-speed flying objects like bullets, can alter the aerodynamic features. The smart coating selectively releases heat at appropriate speeds, thereby altering the aerodynamic flow features and consequently reducing the aerodynamic drag force.
In case of vehicles which travel at velocities which are few times the speed of sound, typically at velocities of around say 5,000 kilometers and above, that is what we call as a Mach 5 and above, those vehicles whenever they travel in atmosphere they encounter huge drag. Reducing the drag would mean that you can make these vehicles travel faster, you also can make them travel for a longer distance. So in this technology we have certain smart coating using say chromium, which essentially would react at high temperatures, which again is present because the kinetic energy of the flow, and that being an exothermic reaction would completely alter the flow field. So without spending any energy, you are able to change the flow field around the bodies, thereby reducing the drag.
The technology finds specific use in enhancing the performance of a wide range of space vehicles by allowing them to traverse longer distance using the same fuel. This new smart coating is a passive technique which does not consume any energy during flight.
India is now moving towards being self-reliant in both space as well as defense. We are able to launch satellites. One day we may be able to launch satellites without rockets, in which case we may have to develop vehicles which are something called as a reusable launch vehicles, where you can go in an aircraft, launch satellites and come back. Or we can even think of going to moon, we can think of going to Mars. In all these technologies, the technological prowess of a nation is going to be at stake. In many of these programs, you need devices which are very novel by which you can reduce the drag. Once a country is able to undertake such technologically advanced mission like going to moon or going to space, certainly the average confidence level of a nation is going to get enhanced. Also, these technologies will have defense offshoots so that we will be a secure nation. On both counts, the advancements in space and defense will be very useful to the nation.
Unlike other methods available in the market, including spikes, jets or concentrated energy, ahead of the space vehicle, which consume huge energies and have a lot of practical problems, smart coating method allows for a novel aerodynamic flow control which enables utilizing a wider range of missiles with the same fuel consumption. This remarkable technology has been awarded by the FICCI DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Program.